Hi, today I'd like to show you how to use your calculator to work with sequences. What I show you today will work with arithmetic, geometric, or shifted geometric sequences. I'll be using a TI-84 calculator, however the same process works on a TI-83 calculator. Our problem is given to us in green. Given the sequence below, find the recursive routine and find the 10th term. To begin, you'll want to recognize that each time we are multiplying by 3. That will make this a geometric sequence. Okay? When we go to the calculator, you'll need to make sure that you change your mode. If we change our mode, we want to make sure that it is on sequence. That is over here, and when you have the cursor highlighted over it, you'll want to make sure you hit enter. Next, you can exit the screen by hitting second mode. And if you go into the y equals, you'll see a screen similar to the one shown in my demo. On this screen, the first thing you want to notice is that n-min is representing the starting term. In this case, that's 1. In finance problems, that will be 0. Make sure you pay attention to that or your numbers will be off. The next line is going to help us figure out what our actual formula is. In this case, we'll want to make sure that we have a u sub n minus 1, and then we'll want to put in a times 3 because our geometric sequence to the left is indicating that we're multiplying by 3 each time. To do this, you'll start by hitting second, 7. That inserts a u, then put a parenthesis, n minus 1. Close your parenthesis. That's indicating that you're going to take the previous term and complete whatever action you want. In this case, we're going to multiply by 3. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to indicate what is the value of the first term. That's what the next line is indicating. For our geometric sequence, that number is 3. Once you have this information, you can go ahead and jump over to your table. When you're in your table, most likely your table will start at 1. Notice that if I go anything less than 1, it does not show up. That's because for sequences, they're only defined for terms that go after your starting term. So in this case, it would work for term 2, 3, 4, and so on. If I want to go to the 10th term, one way I could do this on the calculator is to scroll down. This works well for small numbers. However, if you have to jump to term 48, 60, 100, it makes it take a long time to do it that way. So an alternative would be to go second window, and we're going to make sure that we start our table at 10. Now if I hit second graph, you will see that my table is now starting at 10 and the answer to my question is 59,049. I hope this helps you work with your calculator a little bit better, and I hope that you find it useful when working with sequences and jumping to terms that are farther along.